So when I got like my design create build option, I thought it's a perfect opportunity to sell salsa. I kind of like that store-bought salsa where it has like some juice in it but also some chunky parts, but like it's not that great. So I thought if I could make that but like better, that would be great. Throughout this year I changed my salsa by adding less onions, because that was one of my main comments that I got from people, too many onions. Also, lots of people asked for more spicy, but some people asked for the same, so I thought I'd just leave it. And finally, some people told me like less watery or less non-chunky part. I kind of like adapted to that. I also learned how to cut better, because like I used to cut my onions in really big chunks, which was kind of a problem because no one wants a big chunk of onion in their bite, so that wasn't good. I value the opportunities to like work on something and not have to worry about it being all perfect, because it's just a prototype. That makes me feel less stressed. What I think creates a good idea is like talking to people. When you talk to someone, you get ideas that you can't get just sitting alone thinking about it, because everyone doesn't think along the same lines.